Thursday night, the Department of Justice says there is a new federal-state partnership to hopefully fight fraud. The partnership is going to share data from state agencies, federal investigators. Right now, though, News 19's Megan Doctris is breaking down what exactly this all means.
We need to be collaborating. We need to be communicating. We need to be cooperating with one another. That is the only way we're going to be able to go after this type of fraud that's being perpetrated around the country.
Thursday, South Carolina, along with Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Louisiana, Mississippi, and North Carolina, entered a new data sharing agreement with the Department of Justice to fight fraud. Under this new agreement, South Carolina will share public business registration and benefits payment data with the DOJ to help investigators uncover fraud, track suspicious activity, and identify complex financial schemes. Colin McDonald, Assistant Attorney General with the National Fraud Enforcement Division at the Department of Justice, says it will make it easier.
This will make it exceptionally easier. We have for long relied on hero agents and hero prosecutors and hero state agents and hero task force officers to do this work across the country. What we're doing now is we're building a program underneath those hero agents and those hero prosecutors to make sure that they have the data tools, the AI analytical tools, and all of those resources to support their work.
State Attorney General Alan Wilson explains a time where working with the North Carolina Attorney General made a successful stop to fraud.
We had U.S. attorneys, the FBI, we had local law enforcement, state law enforcement agencies working together to uncover the largest Medicaid scam, up to $20 million in South Carolina history. Okay? This had been going on for about 4 to 5 years. All of these agencies had to cross multiple lines and barriers.
He says these lines should not be barriers to them going after fraud. And the Mississippi Attorney General Lynn Fitch says they are going to use every tool at their disposal to uncover and recover fraud dollars.
President Trump called on all of us to take action, to step up our efforts to protect those who deserve those dollars, and to go after the fraudsters.
Today, Governor Henry McMaster said anything we can do in South Carolina to help, we will do.
This is a larger operation. This is a nationwide operation that's going to be pushed by the Department of Justice. That will give it the power and the sustainability to get this done.
Reporting in Columbia, Megan Doctris, News 19, WLTX.
Interesting, Megan. Thank you so much. And also today, the DOJ announced charges in 17 fraud cases across 7 southeastern states. Listen to this, involving more than $350 million in intended losses. The cases include alleged schemes involving SNAP benefits, Small Business Administration loans, housing benefits, and they also say tax fraud. That was also a part of that list.